Hi guys! Kung sakaling nag-iisip pa kayong umakyat ng Baguio bago magpasukan ng mga bagets, especially if big group kayo like us na 26 packs, and if you're still looking for accommodation, it's worth to check this one of the hidden gem homestay. Hindi ko na nga i-gatekeep, so let me show you El Gracias Transient Home. Actually, yung address nila is already in Itugon, which is just 10 to 15 minutes away from Baguio Center. Perfect if you're looking for a more relaxed atmosphere. They are just literally 2-minute walk from the highway and 5-minute walk from Stella Cafe with big parking space. To give you an idea, 2 SUV, isang van and isang pickup ang dala namin, and yes, kasya lahat sa parking. Isa rin sa nagustuhan namin is hindi masyadong matarik pababa ng mismong house. So tara, check natin yung mismong loob ng bahay. Upon entry, bubungad sa inyo yung living room, and yes, ganyan siya kaganda. Interior is made of real wood like cabin houses. If familiar kayo sa Alphaland Mountain Lodge, ganun yung peg niya. May 6-seater dining table, kitchen, meron na ding fridge, purified water, microwave, stove, rice cooker, plates, cups, and other utensils you need. So dyan na rin kami nagluto habang nagkwekwentuhan. May Netflix, fireplace, and super good Wi-Fi connection, so no issue if may kasama kayong work from home like me. This house has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with heater of course. There are 2 rooms on the first floor and 3 on the second. Rooms 1 to 4 have double deck, I think queen size sa ibaba and single yung sa taas ng double deck. Room 5 has double size bed. We are even allowed to bring our own inflatable bed na sinet up namin sa second floor. They also provide extra mattresses, tables, chairs if you need. Request nyo lang sa kanila in advance. Super linis din ng mga bed cover and pillows nila. Madali lang din i-approach yung caretaker if may problem or request kayo since tabing bahay lang sila. We booked this for only 8,000 per night. Buong house na yun for 26 packs. Napakadali din kausap ng owner. Ilalagay ko nga pala dito yung page and contact number nila. May malapit din na mini grocery, but if you don't have enough time to cook or gusto mag-coffee sa Cafe Stella, no problem. Lakad lang for less than 5 minutes and you'll have this Instagrammable picturesque. Gawa din ako ng separate video ng Stella Cafe naman. So yun lang for now. Bye!